You all, this is a challenge. If you're thinking about making your daughter's hair, please do. Don't think about it too much. Just pick up a comb and try it. You guys, I can't believe I did it on her short hair. If I can do it, you can too. What's up, my people? How are you all doing? Welcome to my channel. Oh, welcome back. If you're my returning subscriber, you know I love you guys so much. Okay, guys, so in today's video, I'm showing you guys how I did this. I don't know what it's called. Is it crisscross? Oh my god. Guys, please, I'm so sorry for the noise in this compound. It gets out of hand sometimes. But anyway, like I was saying, I don't know what to call this style actually. Is it crisscross or whatever? But you know that style they do with elastic band. Instead of elastic band, I decided to try it on without elastic band with her short hair, you guys. I was so shocked that I was able to catch this hair. God, that I was able to do this hair like your girl is improving and I'm so happy. I'm so happy, honestly. So like I said, if you're thinking about making your baby's hair, please just do. I mean, don't think about it too much. Just start with the smallest, the simplest one and work your way up, because I'm still working my way up and I'm getting better. If I can do it, guys, trust me. Moms, aunties, trust me, you can do it. In fact, you can do better. Okay, so this style is a very easy style. I think it's self-explanatory, but let me just say one special hack. If you're making this style on a very short hair, so you know how you finish braiding the first part and you're going to add it to the second part. I feel like I should hold on when I get to that place. I would let you know. But let me just say something since I've started, right? So when you braid the first part and you're about to add it to the second one, and you add it and you're braiding it and you feel like you did not catch that first braid very well. I don't know if I'm making sense what I'm explaining, but if you're doing it, you understand what I'm saying. So you're making the second one, but your hand, you feel it did not capture the first one very well. What you need to do is to add extension. So I braided some extension, I combed out some wool and kept that will add in case I need to. It's like emergency save me. Emergency pick me up. I like to just pick some random jokes that doesn't make any meaning. So the hack that I want to share with you is, if you finish braid, if you're about to add to the following one and you figure that you are not able to catch the one that you just added very well, like this one that I'm about braiding now. So here I'll find out that I didn't catch it very well. You would notice that when I pull it, it will just pull out, watch, like that. So what I'm going to do is now I'm going to add extension, and this is wool that I just brushed out. I cut out some wool and I brushed it out. So I'm going to add it to this one now, and then when I will now add it to the one that I want to add it to, is going to now reach very well for me, that I don't have to struggle. That's the hack that I wanted you guys to know. In case your baby's hair is this short but you don't want to use elastic band, you don't have to use elastic band. Okay, now the reason why I didn't use elastic band is I'm trying to minimize the usage of elastic band on my daughter's hair, because her hair is very soft. Okay, so if your daughter's hair is thick, natural, and you feel she'll get away with using elastic band, it's easier to use elastic band. Okay, so you guys, because it was my first time doing this hair and I wasn't sure if I'm going to get it, I wasn't sure if it's going to come out well, I decided to do the first half off camera. That was why you're seeing that the other part is already completed. So the other parts I did it off camera until I got the hang of the hair. Then I now said to show you guys what I was doing. Please pardon me for not starting this hair from the beginning, okay? So I made this puff to attach to her hair, and I decided to show you guys how I did it in case you want to try this pattern or this method also. So I'm sorry I didn't show the extension that I used, but I'm going to show it. So what I did was I cut the one strand. I cut one strand of darling into 4. So, and I subsection the 4 the section that I cut into 4. Literally just what you guys see me do, that's what I did. If you want yours to be longer, you can cut it into 3 or 2, however long you want it to be. But I was going for that size and length. That was why I cut mine into 4. So my beautiful people, if you're enjoying this video so far, please don't forget to give me a like, comment your favorite part of this video to me. If you have any other thing, any other video that you would want me to do, please comment in the comment section and support me, you guys. You don't need to do much, just like and comment and share. Is much, right? Thank you so much, and God bless you. So while I was filming this part, NEPA took the light. I feel like this part is not all that necessary, but I just wanted to still show how I attach the ponytail to her hair, in case someone is wondering or want to see the finished look. So this is how I attach the ponytail to her hair. Guys, if you're a new braider and you've not bought and you're not using a good braiding hair gel, you should just try and get one, because I never knew what I was missing until I got this gel, and I'm glad that I did. So get your hands on a good braiding hair gel and you would love that you did. Okay guys, so I think this is practically the end of this video, how I finally got my daughter to look good even with her short hair. You can do a lot with your baby short hair. If you don't want to stress her too much and you want the hair to grow out, fine, I respect your opinion very much. But if you have like two daughters and one is already making hair and you feel like no, this one should not be left out, well, you can start. No matter how small the hair is, there's always a suitable hair for her hair, as long as it's not putting too much tension on the scalp. Okay guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that I pick a thing or two. If you did, let me know in the comment section. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Ciao ciao. Mwah.